Okay, good evening everyone, and today video I'm going to test the iPhone connect to Bluetooth keyboard whether it's workable or not. Okay, as you can see on the table now, I already opened the camera on my iPhone, and this one is the Xiaomi keyboard that we can use both Bluetooth and the USB connection. Okay, now I'm gonna turn on this button on, and now we gonna press the Bluetooth button available, and after that I turn on my iPhone Bluetooth, and now it's connected. Okay, and now I input a header and typing hello, this is the test video. Okay, another touch. I hope you like it. Enter. Okay, select, move, cannot move. Okay, so it's usable on the canvas. Okay, on the note we also can use. Please check out more on my channel. Okay, another way we try the capital letter A, capital letter. Okay, it's workable. Okay, so that's it. That is all for today's video of the iPhone connect to Bluetooth keyboard, and it workable. Okay, and now thanks for your time watching this video, and I hope to see you again in the next video. Bye bye and have a nice day.